Hi, I'm Lawrence Todd at Design 911, and today I'm going to be giving you a tech talk on air filters. This tech talk is going to be about OE Match air filters. Now, what is OE Match? OE Match is a brand made by Design 911 with its sole purpose is to help reduce the cost of running your Porsche. The latest addition to the OE Match range of products is air filters. Now, air filters, they're a consumable on your car that need replacing regularly, ideally every 15,000 miles or sooner if you're driving your car in dirty environments. These are consumables that don't need to be expensive, but they are. So Design 911 has worked to help reduce the cost to you for replacing your air filter. They've gone directly to manufacturers of air filters and are working with them to produce air filters for the entire Porsche range. Currently they've got over 20 filters made, but they're looking to continue to add to this to eventually cover the entire range. These OE Match air filters are of the paper type. They're a direct like-for-like replacement of the OEM original equipment manufacturer filters, and also a direct replacement to all of the other brands out there that are producing replacement filters for your Porsche. The difference is though, that these are far more cost effective. So much so that these filters can save you up to half the price of an original air filter, and in some cases more. So I've got quite a lot of air filters out in front of me here. What are the difference for all of these air filters? Well, there is actually none. These are just different designs for different cars. So why choose an OE Match air filter over a Porsche original air filter or other brands? Well, there is no difference other than the price. So how can Design 911 provide these filters so much more cost effectively than other suppliers? The sole reason is they've gone direct to the manufacturer and are getting the manufacturer to produce these air filters for them on their behalf. They receive their filters here and they're passing on the cost saving to you so that you can service your car, replace your air filter for a lot less money. To show that these are a like-for-like replacement, let's go and install two of them into two of our cars. Okay, here I am with this 997. And we're going to take the airbox out and replace the air filter that is in it with an OE Match. So first thing is just take off the coolant hose, disconnect this clip, and then this Jubilee clip's already been undone. So we're going to take this out. Right, so this is the airbox. And in here is where you're going to find your old air filter. So we take this off. Okay, so take the lid off. And here we have the old air filter. Looks pretty clean, probably doesn't need changing, but we just show you, take this out. So this is genuine air filter. Here is the OE Match replacement. And as you can see, it's exactly the same in both style and design. So we're now going to put this one in. Slide it in. And then just put the lid back on. Okay, so that is now ready to fit back onto the car. As you can see, it's a like-for-like swap and very easy to do yourself. Okay, so here we have a 718 Cayman. We're going to change the air filter on this too. This process to get at the air filter is a little bit more involved. So a lot of the panels have already been stripped out for convenience. But if I just remove this last one, which will show you the air filter box. Okay, so under that panel is this black box. This is the air filter box. To take it off, there's some Torx that you just have to go around and undo. So that's everything unclipped. I'm just going to turn my head torch on so I can see better. Right. You take the top cover off. And here is the original air filter. As you can see, Again, exactly the same in style as the OE Match one, with the paper filter, this kind of metal gauze, and the rubber surround. So now you just need to take this out. Oh Jesus, fuck, where's all that come from? Yeah, take the air filter out and the rest of your garden. Right, that's the air filter box cleared out. Here is the old air filter. Here is the new OE Match air filter. And what we're going to do, as you can see, it's nice and dirty. So we're going to put this nice new clean one in. It just sits in the box like this. Now we're good. Put the lid back on and do up the Torx. As you can see, OE Match filters are a direct replacement for your Porsche's original filters. If you'd like to save yourself some money when servicing your Porsche and buying a new air filter, head to design911.co.uk and the top bar, enter your model and type of Porsche, select Save Vehicle, and then in the left-hand navigation menu, click Service Parts. You'll then be presented with a grid layout of different options. Here you'll then find air filters, select air filters, and you can then filter at the top by OE Match. If you have any questions, maybe you're not sure which OE Match filter is suitable for your car, don't hesitate to get in touch with the team at Design911. You can either email them, phone them, or use the chat on the website. They're more than happy to help. Thank you for watching.